So when we started this particular episode of the Evolve series, we wanted to focus on leadership. And what we felt is that in the last 2 to 3 years, our world has changed by many factors that have affected the way we lead and run our businesses. And to name a few, that we've actually pre-COVID, the composition of the workplace was changing. We had 5 generations that were in the workplace. We had more people that were in the newer generations, the Generation Y, Generation Z, that were entering the workforce. They were actually starting to outnumber the people that are from my era, the baby boomers, that are Gen Xers. So there's a shift in generational complexion making up the workforce. So we saw that happening, which brought people retiring. So a whole bunch of things were happening because of that. Then, of course, we saw the whole COVID movement happen, where that took us from being in office 5 days a week, 8 hours a day, to now we're virtual most of the time, working from home. We can work from anywhere in the world, and that created a whole new set of opportunities and challenges for us to face, and allowed us to meet the demands of a very challenging and difficult times. Then on top of that, as this was happening, we also saw what's been coined as the Great Resignation. People really evaluating where they are in their life and their career, and making choices to change careers sometimes, to exit the workforce, to do all kinds of things that weren't happening at the scale that they were happening in the past. So we're facing all these issues.